up, team? Nsima the Sensor Inyang here with what is truly SmoothPanther routine number 24. Now, I say that because the last routine that we did last week was routine number 23, but I said 24. So this is routine number 24. I'm going to call this routine a dragon with a complex because we are doing multiple dragon type movements in this routine. So I've been digging the support you guys have had for these videos. You guys have been mentioning on social media how much you like it. So if you're doing them, go ahead and hashtag SmoothPanther on Instagram. Like the video because it's great for the YouTube algorithm. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys are liking these, how it's affecting you. Give me some, insight so I can try and make these videos better and better for you as time goes on. Like I mentioned in the last video, if you're interested in other content that I'm doing, I co-host the MarkBellsPowerProject Project, where we talk about health and fitness and forward movement and self-development. And I also co-host a podcast with my best friend, Brian Belaya, called We Don't Know Yet. And all these podcasts are on Apple Podcasts and all podcast platforms. You can check those out. If you guys are interested in coaching, where I work with athletes, individuals just trying to lose fat, individuals trying to gain muscle, head to www.breakthebar.com and fill out the consultation form, and I'll get back to you. But other than that, we're going to get into this routine pretty soon. The first thing I want you to remember, though, is I want you breathing in and out through the nose. And I want you to also do your best to be present within your body. So I don't want you scrolling through Instagram as you're doing this. I want you to just focus on being there with your body, feeling where we're supposed to be feeling these movements and getting better. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the first movement we're going to do is a dragon. Right leg forward, left leg back. You're going to be feeling this in the hip flexor of your left foot and in the glute of the right foot, doing your best to keep your torso upright. Okay, we're going to be here for 1 minute. Then we're going to switch to the dragon on the left side. Great job with that. Let's go ahead and switch. Now we're going to be moving into the dragon on the left side. Left foot forward, right foot back, feeling it within the right hip flexor and the left glute. Keep your torso upright. We're going to be here once again for 1 minute. All right, let's come out of that. I want you to just sit here for a few seconds. Relax, because the next movement we're going to be getting into is the Fraggen. And the Fraggen is a toughie. Now, if you have a yoga block or something, you can use that. If in this movement you can't get your elbows to the ground, you'll be seeing what I'm talking about here. Right foot forward, just like the dragon, but then your back leg, your left leg is going to go into a kickstand position like you see me doing here. You're then going to try to get your forearms to the floor in between your legs. Now, if they don't reach comfortably, like I said, grab a block or a blanket, put your forearms on that. But this is going to be a deep stretch through the groin of your right side. You're going to be feeling it in some of your left side. You're going to be feeling it in some of your right glute. This is a deep groin mobilization. We're going to be here for 2 minutes. Breathe in and out through the nose. Focus on being within the body and just calm down. Very good job. We have just 1 more minute here. Alright, let's go ahead and come out of that fraggin. Very good job. Come out slowly, but I want you to go and get your left foot forward soon because we're going to be switching into the fraggin on the left side. So, once again, 2 minutes, left foot forward. Take the back right foot and put it into a kickstand position. Then get your forearms to the ground or maybe on top of a book or a yoga block. Once again, being here for 2 minutes. Focus on being within the body. Don't be distracted. Breathing in and out through your nose. 2 minutes here. So a breathing technique I'd like you to try. If you're open to this, let's try it. I want you to have a inhale, but then spend double the amount of time exhaling. So if you take a brief inhale of 6 seconds, slowly exhale that air for 12 seconds, pause at the end of that exhale for maybe 5 to 6 seconds, and then do the same thing over again. What we're trying to do is breathe slowly and prolong the breath. Give it a shot. You have only 30 seconds left. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and come out of that position. Okay, that was really good. Now I want you to just sit here for a few seconds. Let that sink in. Very short amount of time, maybe about 10 more seconds we're going to be sitting here. And then after that, we're going to go ahead, we're going to hop into a seated straddle. Okay, so if you need to, you can put a block or a blanket underneath your butt, okay, because this is going to be a hamstring and a groin stretch, but your legs are going to be spread and you're just going to be trying to sit in between your legs. You're going to be feeling this a little bit in your lower back, but you'll be feeling it in your groin, your hamstrings. We're going to be here for 2 minutes. So relax, remember, try to focus on your body and your breathing, and let's chill here. good job. Let's go ahead and come out of that. Okay. Now, we're going to go and we're going to head into the fraggin one more time. That's why I said this is a dragon with the complex. We're going to do a fraggin 1 minute on each leg, starting with the right leg forward. All right. So let's go ahead and get the right leg forward now. And then we're going to go ahead once again and put the left leg in a kickstand, putting our forearms on the ground in the middle, or again on a yoga block. And we're going to be here for 1 minute. All right, very good job. Let's go ahead and slowly come out of that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch. The left leg is going to be forward and the right leg is going to be back in a kickstand. Going to get the forearms in the middle of us on the floor and we're going to be here for 1 more minute. After this, we have 1 more movement. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're going to be moving into our last movement of the routine. All right, the last movement is going to be the Sphinx pose. It's going to be an abdominal stretch. So your torso is going to be flat on the ground. You're going to bring your arms to your sides. And you're going to push your body up. You're going to be feeling this quite a bit through your abdomen. Okay, we're here for 1 minute, and then you'll just be able to lie back, relax, and let the music play. Great job, guys. Let's go ahead and come out of that. You are now done with SmoothPanther routine number 24, a dragon with a complex. Now, I mentioned this on Instagram, but every 5th routine from this point on is going to be a challenge routine. So your next routine is going to be a 40+ routine. It's going to be tough. I know you guys can do it. So once again, thank each and every one of you. I thank each and every one of you for sharing this on social media, sharing it with your friends, helping SmoothPanther grow, hashtagging it on Instagram. I thank you guys because I like seeing people getting benefit from these videos, as I have been able to get benefits from stretching every single day. So thank you. If you guys are interested for more content from myself, I co-host MarkBell's Power Project, like I mentioned, along with the other podcast, We Don't Know Yet. So check those two out. I also coach individuals, bodybuilders, powerlifters, people just trying to lose fat or gain muscle at www.breakthebar.com. But once again, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome, and it's great that you're here. I'm happy that you're here doing these routines. This is Nsima, the Centaur Inyang from breakthebar.com. Be an anomaly, and I'll talk to all of you very, very soon.